Deleting your ChatGPT account. How to securely erase your data. If you're looking to delete your ChatGPT account in a safe and secure manner, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open any browser and then type platform openai/login, this site right here. So go ahead and sign in. Now you can see the help option right here at the very top right corner, so you can click on that and you can press message at the very middle option right here. So press on ask your bot a question and you can see it gives you the option of account deletion right here at the bottom, so you can just press that. So here it tells you that if you would like to delete your account, and it is permanent and it will remove any data that is associated with your account and you won't be able to make an account again in the future. So if you're sure, go ahead and press delete my account, and as I don't want to delete my account, I'm just going to press on that one. But if you're looking to delete it, go ahead and press delete my account, and that is how you can delete your ChatGPT account in a safe and secure manner.